brought this young lad into this world. The woman who have sacrificed everything. The woman who have been through a lot. Let's hear it from you, Rosette.
Good evening, everybody. First, I think most of you know me. I'm Sarah's mom. My name is Rosette. Oh God. I have no, I do not wish to give it to me. But, except, my heart, my unconditional love for you. No matter what happened, no matter what your next decision in your life, as a mother, we're always here for you. We don't agree all the time. You might be stubborn, I'm also stubborn. I don't like what you like, and you don't like what I like. But one thing for sure, I want you to remember this. Wherever you go, whatever takes you, no matter what you make decision in your life, I'm always here for you, no matter what. My love, my prayer, my everything is you. It's the best thing happening to my life. I sacrificed a lot. Take a deep breath. Wanted to give up. But every time I remember you, it's always in this personal who says to never give up because I got you in my life. Now that you're 18, my message for you, please don't ever give up, no matter what you do. Do whatever you like to do. I'm always here for you. I'm always proud of you. Don't forget to pray. Don't forget to pray. Don't forget to ask forgiveness. Even when you don't do anything bad to do, saying sorry, it doesn't make you better. Stay humble. Stay your passion. And please, please, be a good boy. I love you, Stan.
Okay, we'll break that round of course. When you see your mom talking like this, you feel it in your heart. And Cyril, I think those 18 precious people that came and address and say everything they want to say, I think to sum it all up, you are one lucky boy. I think your mother never said, you're lucky. And I would say you're the only treasure, that's what she said. You're the only treasure, darling. So bad, bad or good, Mommy said, I know she knocks it up like me. But remember, those nagging at the side of love and concern. If your mom would just say, oh, bother it, let him do what he wants. That means she doesn't care. So the message of it all of you are very seriously, dear Sarah, the very best. And you'll hear more of the 18 roses a little later, because I'm kind of happy. Are you? We'll break them, and we'll be 18. So there'll be a bit of music from here on, and entertainment a little later. So, in the eating time, we will all be outstanding. I will please ask everybody. Don't just jump in the food, there's plenty of food. The reason being is that we only got a small entrance. So if I call one table, please, the third table don't stand up because it will be a big mess in here. Is that understood? I know. For those who are taking medications, we have a doctor here, so doctor, also that the ability to give you, let me know. I will let you go. Come, go eat. Okay, so we'll start the eating first. Okay. Cyril would like to let you guys eat first.
Ako